Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalayas are a boon to the deprived girl students to elevate them in all fields. The KGBV Gangavaram is one of the best schools for arts and crafts in East Godavari district and received laurels from district authorities. They got first prize in Kriya organization, state level competitions held at Kakinada in 2019. The special officer Srimati K. Padmavati and craft CRT Srimati Ramana has taken special interest to make the children get recognition in arts and crafts. The students are trained in making baskets skillfully. The palm tree leaves are the main and only material to make these articles like baskets, hats, flower vases and pencil stands, etc. The materials which they use in making these articles is to be softened and sized strips by machines. That arts and crafts are fun activities for kids and also improves the creativity in their tender age. By introducing arts and crafts to the kids and make them involving such activities in schools, it will lead to build their cognitive skills and further their physical and social development. Most arts and craft activities consist of moving fingers and hands and their help in developing fine motor skills. With the enhancement of fine motor skills and much practice, a child's manual dexterity, artistic skills, speed and accuracy will also increase. Engaging in activities related to arts and crafts from a very young age leads to tremendous improvement hand and eye coordination. Through arts and crafts, children will learn to appreciate art and culture in times. They will learn to act and think like designers and artists with creativity. They also learn about the preservation of heritage through art. The process of arts and crafts also strengthens parent-child bonding. Arts and craft activities help to prove the sense of achievement and pride in the children and boosting their self-confidence. Arts and crafts not only help in the above traits but also in boosting their academic performance.